Imagine waking up tomorrow, checking your bank account, and seeing an extra $300 every single day. Sounds impossible? Well, it's not if you know the side hustles that actually work in 2025. But here's the scary part. Every day you wait, you're leaving thousands of dollars on the table while others are quietly building financial freedom. Are you going to sit there or take action? And no, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme your cousin shared on TikTok. This is the real deal, proven, practical side hustles that work, even if you start today. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make $300 a day without wasting years guessing, and how to scale it to a lifestyle most people only dream of. Let's dive in. Point 1. Freelance digital skills. The first way to hit $300 per day is by leveraging skills you already have or can learn in weeks through freelancing. Think copywriting, graphic design, video editing, or even AI prompt engineering. Here's the beauty. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer connect you with clients willing to pay top dollar for quality work. And in 2025, demand is exploding. Businesses need digital services more than ever. Imagine turning your laptop into a money-making machine, working 3 to 4 hours a day, and seeing your bank balance grow. Sounds good, right? And no, binge-watching Netflix doesn't count as a side hustle, unfortunately. But what if you don't have skills yet? Don't worry. The next hustle doesn't require a degree or years of experience, yet it still pays big. Point 2. AI-driven micro-businesses. AI is no longer the future, it's your side hustle partner. From automated dropshipping stores to AI-generated content channels, there's a gold mine waiting if you know how to tap it. For example, you can create print-on-demand stores using AI to design trendy products. Set it up once, market smartly, and watch passive income flow. $300 per day is within reach. Here's the catch. If you wait too long, others will dominate these AI-driven markets. The window is small, and the advantage goes to the action takers. And speaking of action, the next method is the one I've personally seen explode overnight. But most people overlook it because it seems too simple. Point 3. Affiliate marketing and content creation. Affiliate marketing is the classic side hustle, but in 2025, it's smarter, faster, and more profitable than ever, especially when combined with content creation on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Here's the strategy. Create content that genuinely helps people, tutorials, reviews, or guides, and plug products your audience needs. Every click, every purchase earns you money, even while you sleep. It's like getting paid for giving advice, without needing a PhD in anything. But if content creation feels intimidating, don't worry. The next hustle is so simple, it almost feels unfair. Point 4. Local services and gig economy. If you like keeping things hands-on, local services are a goldmine. Think delivery driving, dog walking, tutoring, or even renting out a spare room on Airbnb. The key is consistency. $50 to $100 here and there adds up fast. With the right strategy, you can hit $300 a day without fancy tech or a huge upfront investment. Yes, it might mean walking someone's dog at 7 a.m., but hey, at least the dog appreciates you more than your boss sometimes. Now, the final side hustle is a game changer. This one combines strategy, creativity, and leverage, and it's the one most people never consider. Yet it can skyrocket your income. Point 5. Investing in digital assets and residual income. Here's where it gets exciting and a bit intimidating. Digital assets like niche websites, YouTube channels, or even royalties from AI-generated content can earn you money 24/7. The principle is simple. Invest time upfront, create something valuable, and let it earn for you repeatedly. With the right strategy, $300 per day becomes the baseline, not the ceiling. The scary truth? Most people ignore this because it feels too techy or too long term. But those who start today will be financially decades ahead of their peers tomorrow. Basically, while they're scrolling Instagram, you're stacking passive income. Not too shabby, huh? So there you have it. 5 side hustles that actually work in 2025. Whether it's freelancing, AI-driven businesses, affiliate content, local gigs, or digital assets, the opportunity is here. But remember, opportunity is meaningless without action. Pick one, start today, and don't stop until you hit that $300 per day mark. Because the truth is, your financial freedom won't wait for you, but the right side hustle will. If you want to take this even further, check out my next video on the power of compounding. It's the secret to turning these hustles into true wealth too over time. Click here and start your journey to financial freedom.